by making a nice snack little drink. That's gonna be so good.
Okay, tell them what you're going to put in it.
So we're gonna put some yogurt, some frozen strawberries, a banana, and on top we're gonna put whipped cream, frozen strawberries. Oh, and milk. So just gonna put banana in there. Put some frozen strawberries in. And you put your yogurt in there. And we got to put a milk in.
Put enough in to cover the strawberries.
Turn on. This is the on button. And then you're going to press.
It tastes like the strawberry Wendy's.
Thank you for joining my video.